Hey there, looking for a great business idea? In this video, I'll share some simple and profitable ideas you can start today. Handmade furniture business. Build and sell custom furniture, earning up to $12,000 a month. Subscription service for kids' toys. Rotate educational toys monthly, earning up to $8,000 a month. Antique store. Source and sell vintage items, earning up to $10,000 a month. Custom printing services. Offer print on demand for clothing or accessories, earning up to $10,000 a month. Drone services. Offer aerial photography or mapping, earning up to $15,000 a month. Language tutoring. Teach languages online or locally, earning up to $6,000 a month. Music or art lessons. Teach creative skills, earning up to $5,000 a month. Event photography booth. Set up photo booths at events, earning up to $5,000. Solar panel installation business. Install renewable energy systems, earning up to $25,000 per month. Travel company. Organize outdoor excursions, earning up to $15,000. That's it for today. Let me know your favorite idea in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.